Download Windows 10 and Kali Linux 2018. Now in this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, I will show you that how you can download Windows 10 machine, and then later I will show you that how you can download Kali Linux ISO inside your operating system. So let's start with the Windows 10 ISO, that how we can download Windows machine from Microsoft website. So guys, we are here at google.com, and on Google you can simply type download Windows 10 and hit enter. So you can see here that this is the first link of Microsoft website, official website. Click here and open this web page. This is the page where you can download Windows 10 ISO, but first of all, there is a tool available in the website, and that you need to download it and install it and run it inside your machine, and then you will be able to download the ISO of Windows 10 machine from Microsoft. So guys, here you can see that this is the official website to download Windows 10. If you come down, then it is asking you to download a tool, because without this tool you won't be able to download Windows 10 machine on PC. So let me download this tool. So click here, download tool now. It is around 18 MB file, so click save file, and when it will download you just need to click it, install it, right? And when it will run it inside your operating system, then it will provide you some options, and with these options you can download Windows 10 machine. So here you can see that it is going to download inside our system. So now you just need to click here and run this installer inside your machine, and then you need to select that what kind of Windows you want to download, and which version of Windows 10, and what kind of you want a USB media, or you want ISO file. So we need to select ISO file to download Windows 10 machine, Windows 10 ISO file inside our operating system. So you just need to wait here until it provides you the options. And similarly, we can download Kali Linux operating system, and we will download Kali Linux VMware version of Linux, right? So now here you need to accept this agreement. Click accept, and now it is in process. It won't take much time. Now here you can see that it is providing two options: upgrade this PC now or create an installation media. So you can select the second one, create installation media. Click next. Select your language, English United States, Windows 10. Architecture, they have two options, 32 or 64. So if your system is 64-bit, then select 64. If you are using 32-bit, then select 32-bit. So it depends on your computer, what kind of system you are using. So I'm using 64-bit. Click next. So I don't need USB flash drive. I need an ISO file, right? So that I can use it inside VMware Workstation. So click ISO file. Click next. And here you can see that this is an ISO file. Select where you want to save. For example, I want to save in D drive. So select D drive, and you can click save. Now you can see that it has started in progression. So when it will get completed, obviously that ISO will be inside your drive. As I have already Windows 10 machine, so I don't need to complete this progress. That was just to show you that how you guys can download Windows 10 machine. Now guys, how you can download the Kali Linux for VMware Workstation, that I'm going to show you here. So you can type here download Kali Linux, hit enter. Official website of Kali Linux, click here, come down, and we are searching for Kali Linux 64-bit VMware. This is the VMware, particularly for VMware we have Kali Linux, so we are going to use this one. So available on this page, click here. This is for virtual images. So come down. So as we are using 64-bit VM, so we are going to download the zip file, right? So you can click here, and here you can see that your Kali Linux is going to download inside your operating system. So this is around 3 GB file, so it will take some time, but you need to download Windows 10 as well as Kali Linux operating system inside your machine. Okay, so this is the process to download Windows machine and Kali Linux machine inside your operating system. So we have learned that how you can download Windows 10 machine and Kali Linux machine from the official website, and in the next video we will learn the installation of Windows 10 and Kali Linux inside VMware Workstation. Thank you.